Achyuta Padakamalam. So, in this verse, we find that due to mismanagement of the government, people will have no regular principle even for taking bath or eating or sleeping or sexual intercourse. And another point is here that babaya unmukha jivalokam. They can give up eating, they can give up sleeping, they can give up everything, but cannot give up sex life. And the Vedic civilization is to avoid sex life. Just like these hippies. Hippie means they have given up bathing, given up eating, given up sleeping, but they cannot give up sex life. And everyone, not only the hippies, Babayonumokham. Ultimately, so many yogis, incarnation and others are coming in your country, but they cannot give up the sex life. You have seen advertisement. So many yogis, they are having sex life. So many incarnation of God having sex life. You see, a big sannyasis, swamis. Long ago, some Swami came here. He returned with 3 women, and we do not wish to discuss many more. You see, the sex life is very strong in this material, in this age. But sex life should be regulated, not that anywhere and everywhere or any time. You know. Therefore, the population is unwanted population. One irregular sex life produced the Hiranyakashipu. Hiranyakashipu's mother became very sexually agitated, and she wanted to sex with her husband, intercourse, and just in the evening, Kashyap Muni, he said, no, this is not the time, proper time. No, but she was insistent. So the result was 2 demons were born. So everything should be regulated. But in this age, there is no regulation, there is no knowledge. Less than animals also, they have sex life at a certain period of the year. Not always. But human being has become so low-graded that and that is due to Kali Yuga. Therefore, it is very lamentable. Everything is topsy-turvy, no regular. It is the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy that we are reforming the whole society very simple way. Chant Hare Krishna. You see, it is so nice. You see, the examples are here. It is no story. Simply by chant. Therefore, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommended Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama iva kevalam kalo nastiva, 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 katirannatha. There is no other alternative. Simply chant Hare Krishna mantra. Everything will be reformed. Life will be polished and everything will be successful. This is Cheta Darpana Mata. Human being is also a soul. Animal is also a soul. Everyone. But the human form of life is meant for God realization. Athato Brahma Jigyasa. This is Vedanta Sutta. Jivasya tattva jigyasa. They, not only human being, everyone's, but everyone less than human being, they cannot inquire about the absolute truth. What is the aim of life? What is absolute truth? What I am? What is my relationship? These things are the subject matter for discussion in the human form of life. But unfortunately, on account of Kali Yuga, the heart being full of dirty things, they cannot think of the aim of life, how to achieve it. That is called Kali Yuga. Therefore, so much fallen socially, politically, economically, culturally, everything, religiously, we are so fallen and downtrodden that the only method, as recommended in the Vayu Purana and other Puranas, Kalau nasteva. Kalau means in this age of Kali, nasti eva. There is no other alternative. And actually, by spreading this Krishna consciousness movement, we are seeing practical result. The most wretched, most rotten, they are coming to life, they are understanding the value of life, the aim of life, and they are trying to be elevated more and more. Of course, it is an attempt, not that everyone will be successful, but if everyone follows the simple rules and regulations, he will be successful. There is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. The four simple regulative principles: no illicit sex, no meat eating, no gambling, no intox, and chant 16 now. Very simple method. Because the difficulty is they do not know what is the aim of life. The aim of life, that we are conditioned by this material nature, embodied by the material elements, and that is the cause of our all miserable condition of life. Therefore, Rishabdev says, Nunang pramatta kurute vikarma. Pramatta, we are so mad under the bodily. Everyone is under the big scientists also, they are also. They don't believe there is soul. Big scientists, politicians, philosophers. Jashatma buddhi kunapiti dhatuki. They remain animals. If anyone has taken this body as the self, jashatma buddhi kunapiti dhatuki, sadhik kalotra disubhomoid. So, the modern Kali Yuga is very dangerous for the human being. They are given chance by the laws of nature. Now take your birth as human being. Because to get a body as a human being or as a demigod or as a king or as a lower-class man or as an animal, that is not in our hand. That is in the nature's hand. Prakriti kriyamanani gunai karmani san. I have several times explained, as you are infecting yourself with the quality of material nature, you get a different type of body. Karanam gunasanga asya sadasad janma jonishu. The lower and higher grade of life, different types of body. How we get? That is explained in the Bhagavad Gita. Karanam. Karanam means reason, cause. What is that cause? Karanam guna sangasa. The living entity, the soul, is associating with certain quality of the material nature, and therefore he is getting different types of body. We are all living entities, even the trees and plants and cats and dogs. And why there are so many different species of life? 8,400,000 species of life. Why? The reason is given in the Bhagavad Gita. Karanam gunasangas. The gunasanga. As we are infecting the quality of this material nature, we are getting. This is completely in the hands of the material nature. So therefore, it is the duty of the human being how to get out of the control of the material nature. That is the greatest science. But they do not know it. That is explained in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Nurang Paramatya. The rascals have become mad. Paramatta means mad. Nurang Paramatta Kurute Vikarma. Simply acting sinfully. If they are advised that don't do this, this is very dangerous. You'll be involved and again in the birth and death cycle. They have no knowledge what is birth, what is death, what is this body, what is the aim. No, simply blind animals. Simply blind animals. And still they are going under the name of scientists, philosophers, politicians. This is the misfortune of the present age. So Nurang Paramatta Kuruti Vikarma. Jad Indriya Pritaya Aprinoti, the same thing is explained here. Bhavayanu Jiva. Indriya Pritaya, simply for sense gratification, they are doing anything nonsense. As madman. Nurang Paramatta Kuruti Jad Indriya Pritaya. What is the aim? Aim is not self-realization. Aim is how to satisfy. Never mind. Risk everything. Satisfy your senses. Therefore, real civilization is to teach the children from the very beginning of life how to control senses. That is called brahmachari. That is called brahmachari life. To learn how to control the senses. So everything is topsy-turvy, and 5,000 years ago or more than that, these things were being discussed, and people were very sorry that very bad days were to come, and still we can predict there is no, it does not require very much advanced knowledge. In the Shastra, it is stated what will be the later ages of Kali Yuga. That is also stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam. The beginning is already there. Anavrishta, Karopirita. One side there will be no rainfall. Now, yesterday somebody was telling that in this California, the rainfall is now not so much, I think, Jayatitha. So, rainfall will be practically very, very little, anavrishta. And another difficulty will be Karopirita. One side there will be famine, scarcity of food, no rainfall, and another side there will be excessive taxation by the government. So people will be so much disturbed because you have no food. There is scarcity of rain, you cannot produce food. And at the same time, government will give some morsel of food and levy taxes. So, Vidbhikha Karopirita disturbed, Gachanti Girikananam. Achinna Daradurvina Gachanti Girikanam. Being disgusted, they'll give up their family and children, separated, and they'll go to the forest or the hills. This is another. Another will be, there will be no more available. These food grains, especially wheat, rice, and milk, this will be finished. So, very, very bad days are awaiting in this Kali Yuga. Therefore, it is our duty to finish this business of material life and go to home, back to God. That is business. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.